Well, everybody, as you've all heard about the tax reform talk in Congress, because the IRS has recently and really kind of invaded the privacy of a lot of people and been caught doing strange things with them with taxpayers' money. So now finally everybody is talking about reforming the IRS and changing it to a flat tax. And I think that'd be a great idea. Before we would get into that, though, I want you to realize that where we're at is because in 1973, Henry Kissinger sold the world on the idea of the US dollar replacing gold as a world banking reserve currency. That's why we're in such a great fix today. This meant that the United States never was required to balance its books and could buy anything in the world for simply kiting a check, and that's what we do every day. Tricky Dick Nixon was elated. Here's a picture of him, totally elated out for a helicopter ride in the middle of a workday. But Tricky Dick Nixon's policies continue to this day. George W. Bush being the epitome of the worst president ever. Here he is flipping us off on one of his marked parades that he had all the time. He never did anything, but he was a good parade attender. And if you said anything to him, this is how he reacted. So you can't have unlimited wars and unlimited welfare, George, unless you're cooking the books. George knew that. So he had a couple of people cook the books for him. Right now, it's this man, Ben Bernanke, and before him, it was, and he's of course chairman of the Federal Reserve. He's printing money at unprecedented rates. Before him, it was Alan Greenspan, this turkey. And in fact, this guy is the worst of the worst. This guy set it all up. The collapse of everything was because of that jerk. And so what we have now is the biggest Ponzi scheme in world history as they play hide the liability. They're just shuffling the debts all around the world and pretending like they're going away. But so food prices are already going crazy. What's next, folks? The U.S. dollar is going to be devalued. There's no other way out. And the tax code should be reformed to a flat tax rate. 10% everybody pays. All right, that's one of several really great suggestions that we have in related books. You want to read them all. But for now, you have to realize that everything's going to collapse, and you have to prepare your family. You've got to look out for number one. And before they do, they'll never really reform the IRS and the tax code. They'll talk about it for 10 or 20 years, and until a loaf of bread costs us $1 million. That is coming. So you need to prepare your family. My family's prepared. How you do it is by joining Go Foods Global. This is a picture of some of our foods. The food is healthy, delicious, and it stores for up to 25 years in your garage, under a bed, in the closet, without any refrigeration. And I've got a 5-year supply of food in my garage, and I have never spent a dime of my own money buying this protection for my family. It's all come from commissions and getting other people to join and prepare their families. That's the beauty of the Go Foods Global Food Storage Program. You can't beat it with a stick anywhere. It's the greatest thing ever. You got to join. They're about to upgrade and add many, many, many more lines of food and health products and things that you already buy. But you already buy food, so you want to join, even if you just buy the food wholesale. Good enough. But you trust me, you want to get into the business when you learn more about it. Bingo, bango, bongo, you're in the food business today if you want to be, and I'll help you. I'll show you how to get hundreds of people to also save their families, get their families prepared. And if you join today, we'll give you $200 in free food. Now, this is how it works. That's a 1-month supply, by the way. Go to this website, founder.gofoodsglobal.com. Go to that website right now. Do not delay, because we're going to have this great food for you. You can share it, save it for emergencies. It saves you money in your monthly food budget. You can't lose with this thing. 6 ways to earn money by sharing the food. Now, what you do is once you get to my website, founder.gofoodsglobal.com, go in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see the sign-up button. Hit that. Next screen that pops up is the sign-up button again. But because there's 2 ways of going in. You want to take the upper right, the upper blue one. The one on the bottom is for anyone in the armed services. Don't do that, though, even if you are in the armed services, because we've got a better deal for you up in the blue one. Sign up. And then there's 3 ways to get started. You can get a $500 starter pack, a $200 starter pack, or $100 starter pack. That's all you have to do to join and be in the business, is buy a little bit of food. You're going to do it anyway, so it's not really a cost. The best way to get started is the 500 starter pack, because that's how we get you another $200 worth of food for free right off the bat. It's already about $600 worth of food, so the biggest discount is in the larger packs. So you're already getting about a 20% discount by getting a $500 pack. But on top of that, we're going to give you a $200 free pack of food, which is a 1 month supply for your family, absolutely free if you join today. So that's about $700 worth of food if you join today, but up at this level. The $200 level, you get a couple of freebies. At the $100 level, you get a couple of freebies. Nothing to get excited about. So this is the one you want to join at, and you'll start your family storing food with a good head start right off the bat. Next, hit continue. You'll enter your information. You're creating a website here, your login, your username and password, so put that all in there, your date of birth. Next screen that pops up is the username, password, your address, of course. Now, right here is the most important one, the website URL. What do you want people to see when they, what do you want to give people when you want to get them to sign up under you? Just like I'm doing it with Founder, you're going to type something in here, and it'll become this first part of your website, gofoodsglobal.com. So then put your name in there, how you'd like people to see you, hit the continue button, and then this is the next screen that pops up. Okay, now, this is a little different. They've changed it since then. There's only two ways to go on the home delivery program, $100 a month or $200 a month. Click the $100 or the $200 if you want to get more food faster into your home. $100 is sufficient to keep you in the business and keep you getting commissions. So to be in the business, you want to take the home delivery program, at least the $100 worth of food every month. Click that, hit continue. Next screen is your payment information, so your credit card over here. Now this order summary should look like this. It should say $500 starter pack. The GoFoods membership is $0. That's normally about a $30 value. You're getting that also for free today if you come in at today. A 1 month food supply, that's a $200 value, so that's going to be $0. Free Go System business guide that teaches you how to get started in the business. That's about a $50 value right there, also free. And a free Go party pack. One of the ways we get people to join is by having parties at home and sharing the food at home, cooking, giving them samples in your own home. It works great, so we give you a party pack that gets you started in that, the $25 value. So all together, it's about $300 in freebies if you join today. All right, especially the 1 month food supply right here, $200 value, absolutely free. So this should show us 500 or 200 or 100. You know, if you came in at the $200 level, you can't afford the $500 level, then this should show up as 200, 0, 0, 0, and then 200 again, 500, 0, 0, 500 again. If that looks like that, you did it right, you can continue. Now down at the bottom, it shows that home delivery that you just picked on the last screen, monthly home delivery, $100 worth of food. And it comes to $131 actually, plus $9 shipping and handling. I always call it $100 worth of food because it's $100 in PV. That's points that you need. Minor point, you'll learn about all of that later when you become a business owner. Okay. Now this the auto delivery you will not be charged for this time. Only the $500, the $200, or the $100 that you charged, that you set up to get in. Okay. This will be charged in 30 days, so don't worry about it, but they have to summarize it so you know. You can always cancel this at any time. So to get the freebie, come in at 500 Club, get $200 worth of food. If you don't like the food, you can always come in the next 30 days, cancel this, and you're good to go. You get to keep all that food anyway. So hit continue when you're done with that, and you are now an IBO, and we're going to get you some training. Don't worry, you're going to join my team. You can call me for more information. We're one of the most productive teams in the company. I'll teach you how to do things like this. I get a lot of people to join just from YouTube alone. We're also very heavily involved in Facebook and Google Plus and Pinterest and that kind of thing. So we teach you how to do all the social media. It's all free, and you get dozens of people to join you. It's very easy. I guarantee you make money at this if you get in on my team. So this is a picture of some of the things that we teach you: Twittering, Google Plus, Facebook, and YouTube. Now, the hottest thing going right now is a combination of these two things right here, YouTube and Google+. You have communities in here. You have circles in here that get you into extended circles, can go on forever. So these two things right here, we teach you how to do and get hundreds and thousands of people to find out about your business opportunity every day. Really works great, simple, it's free. We have a whole system that we're going to teach you. So get in today. do what I showed you. Remember the promo code Success 500, Success 200, or Success 100. I went over that very fast because I don't want to lose anybody. But when you get to that point, and you'll see that you have to type in the promo code of Success 500 if you want to come in with the $500 pack. Don't forget to do that in the promo code. Then everything will total correctly. And God bless you. Thanks for watching this video. Get in today. And remember, in a couple of months, everything is going to change. We're going to have hundreds more things to market Undergo Foods, and you're going to love it. The things that people absolutely have to have, healthy things. Get in the health business. Get in the healthy food business. You can't lose. Thanks a lot for watching this. Bye-bye now.